Welcome to our channel UK Immigration. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to apply for a visa to come to the UK. Choose a visa. You may need a visa to come to the UK to study, work, visit, or join family. There are different visas depending on where you come from, why you want to come to the UK, how long you want to stay for, your personal circumstances and skills. Before you apply, you must check if you need a visa and what type you need. Depending on your nationality, you might need a visa to visit or transit through the UK. Your application must be approved before you travel. You do not need to apply for a visa if you're an Irish citizen. If you want to visit the UK, apply for a standard visitor visa to visit the UK for up to 6 months. For example, for a holiday to see family and friends, for a business trip or meeting, to do a short course of study. You must apply for a married visitor visa if you want to visit the UK to get married or register a civil partnership. If you have a visitor visa, you cannot take a job in the UK. If you're traveling through the UK, you might need a visa if you're traveling through the UK on your way to another country. For example, if you have a layover between flights, apply for a visa to travel through the UK. If you want to study in the UK, your course length, type, and place of study affect which visa to apply for. A standard visitor visa lets you do a short course of study that lasts no longer than 6 months. A short-term study visa lets you come to the UK to study an English language course that is over 6 months and up to 11 months. A student visa is usually for a longer course. You must be sponsored by a licensed college or university and have a confirmed place. You may be able to do some work on this visa. A child visa is for 4 to 17-year-olds who want to study at an independent school. If you're 16 or over, you can do some work on this visa. If you want to work in the UK, you can work in the UK on a short or long-term basis with a work visa. There are many types of work visa. The visa you need depends upon your skills and qualifications, if you have a job offer and sponsorship. If you want to bring your family with you, what you'll be doing, for example, sporting, charitable or religious work, you can set up a business with an innovator founder visa. If you want to join family in the UK, if you're a spouse, partner or family member of someone who has British citizenship or settled in the UK, you can apply for a family visa. Then they may need to show that they can support you financially. You may be able to apply for indefinite leave to remain ILR after a set amount of time living in the UK. If your family member is in the UK on a visa, you may be able to apply for a visa to join a family member who is in the UK on a visa. They must be either your spouse or partner, your parent if you're 18 or under. Check what visa you'll need to join them. There may be another visa that's right for you based on your circumstances. Check if you need a visa and what other visas you're eligible for. Visit the government website for detailed guidance. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be the first for new updates. Leave your comment for meaningful communication and don't forget to click the link in the description box.